Guys, after every trip we always try to clean everything down, wash, dump, all of the above. This is what we do after every single trip. So we're going to wash, empty out the fridge, dump the tanks, and for this weekend, because we're not heading out this weekend, so that's what we have planned this weekend. We're going to get everything cleaned, and I'll show you what we normally do when we head home after every trip. So here's our wash station. We have a pressure washer. We have this simple chuck. It's a spot-free water cleaner, so it hooks up. We have it hooked up to the pressure washer, and we'll hook it up to our water, and we turn on. It's a little complicated. We turn it off when we don't want to use the filter, and then we turn it off when we need. Well, you guys get it. So we rinse without the spot free, and then we rinse the soap with the spot free. And then here are a couple of items that we use. All of our soaps, cleaning products, bucket, brushes, etc. This is the Sanicon Turbo 600 from Thetford. It is a macerating system that we are going to be installing into our motorhome. What a macerator does is it liquefies everything in your sewage tank. It grinds everything, all that nasty, all the poop, out of your black tank to liquefy it so that it's easier, it's a lot cleaner, and it's easier to be drained out of your system. What this specific product comes with is there's a pump in it so that you don't have to rely on gravity for the holding tanks to fall out. What it does is the pump sucks everything out after it's been liquefied to make it easier to empty your tanks. So I'll unbox. There's really not much in here. It's a pretty simple system. I'll unbox it next for you guys. Before we even purchased our motorhome, we had this already purchased. So it's been sitting in our shed for a while until we were ready to use it. So we haven't emptied our tanks yet, and we're hoping to get this set up by this weekend so that we can test out the sewage system, or the sewage draining system. Our Lance was able to be backed up into our driveway so that we can empty our tanks. That's where our system is. In this case, our rig cannot fit on our driveway. So here's the pump, this connects, or here's the hose, this connects to the pump, and this connects to your sewage dropout. Some extra things. This gets connected to your tank, and it is connected to this. This is the pump. This is what sucks everything out. Some brackets, and this is the switch. And that's it. Kevin's just working on getting the wiring cleaned for the Thetford Sanicon. This is the pump / grinder. Nice and clean. So we're going with the temporary solution for this hookup because we're only weekend warriors, so we're not ready to permanently install it into the Magnitude yet. So this solution is going to work best for us since we do dump at home. We're just going to pull out the cart when we're ready to use it. It's nice and organized. And that's it, it's ready to go. So we're gonna, we haven't dumped the tanks yet. We're gonna give it a try, clean the cart up a little bit more, and we'll show you guys how this works. All right, here it is. Here's our mobile poop station. We're just gonna move it over to the side over here. Always wear gloves, guys, when you're handling this, because you know what's in there. Let's be sanitary.
Yeah, I gotta make sure that thing's locked too.
So we are using this extension because we're all the way over here, and we had to go under the rig because the system's on the other side. We actually had this extra pool hose laying around, so it's convenient for us. So I'm going to stand on this side to make sure it doesn't come out. We're going to pull the gray first just to test it out to make sure everything's going through safely. So that's just the gray for now. System's not on yet.
Oh, the gray does bypass. Okay, learned something.
So we just found out that the gray water does bypass the system, so we don't need to turn it on.
I'm gonna try black. Ooh, doo-doo. Wow, it's pretty quiet.
Everything's good on this side, no leaks or anything.
Dude, that's pretty solid.
Hop back on the other side. Looks like we're fine over here too, guys. All clear? That's it, guys. So we're running this system off a battery. There's an extra battery that our buddy had laying around for us. Made it convenient so we don't have to worry about plugging in. So there it is, guys. That's the Thetford Sanicon Turbo. Lysol, guys. So there you have it. That's what it takes to clean everything in our rig, from washing, dumping, you name it. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please click the thumbs up and subscribe.